Hello students, good morning. See, in previous video we have seen about the speed and velocity. These two concepts are related with the motion. There are mainly four concepts are related with the motion, that are nothing but the speed, velocity, distance and displacement. See, we have already seen these four concepts, and see, distance and displacement are interrelated with each other, like speed and velocity are also interrelated with each other. See, these four concepts are related with the motion. Which four concepts? The first one is the distance, second one is the displacement, third one is the speed, and fourth one is the velocity. See, on these four concepts you have various questions, like write down the definitions, write down the differences. In that there are mainly two differences which are going to ask in a question paper by board in exam. That that differences are, first difference is the, that we have already seen, difference is the distance and displacement, and second difference is the speed and velocity. See, in previous video we have seen what is speed and what is velocity. See, speed and velocity are also interrelated with each other, like a distance and displacement. In this video we are going to learn the difference between, or you are also write down from points the difference between the speed and velocity. See, we are going to learn, or we are going to study the difference between speed and velocity. Always when there is a difference or distinguish, the points are right in differences are always opposite. Okay. See, if the differences ask you in a question for 2 marks, then there are 4 points are required in your answer. 4 for speed, 4 for velocity. All of you know that, because each point carry half mark. Okay. So we will going to learn the difference between speed and velocity. I have written here speed and velocity. See, what is speed? First of all, we will write the definition. Okay, what is the definition of speed? Speed is nothing but the distance covered by an object in specific time. Okay, so here we can write it is the distance covered by an object in specific time. In a specific time. What about in case of velocity? Velocity is velocity have the same definition. We have already seen the definition of velocity. The definition of velocity is the distance covered by an object in a specific time, comma, in a given direction or a given displacement. See, what is the definition? The distance covered by an object specific time in a specific time, comma, of a given direction or in given direction or displacement See, here are the two terms in both sides. First, we will see here speed is related with the distance. Okay, what we can write here, the speed is related with distance, or this concept of speed is related with the distance. Here is the, what we can write, the velocity is related with the What word here? Here is the displacement. So in point number 2 we can write the velocity is related with the displacement. The velocity is related with the displacement. All of you know that. What is the distance? Distance, it is a length of actual path followed by an object when it is a moving. Okay. See, if the speed is related with the distance, then the point number 3 we can write here the speed is. The speed is, what we can write? Speed is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Why scalar quantity? Because it is related with the distance and distance is a scalar quantity. Therefore, we can write here the speed is scalar quantity. And here is the, if the velocity is related with displacement, so we can write here the velocity is related with, velocity is a vector quantity. We have already seen all these are terms. What are vectors? What are scalars? Which quantity are said to be vector quantity? Which quantities are said to be scalar quantity? See, the point number 4, speed is a, what is speed? Speed is a ratio of distance upon time. From the definition, we can write the formula for speed is, it is a ratio of distance, first word, and second word is the time. So we can write here it is ratio of distance upon time. Okay. In here, what is the definition said about the velocity? Velocity is, it is a distance covered by an object in a specific time in a given direction. So we can write here the velocity is equal to, or velocity having formula, it is a ratio of displacement upon time. From these two formulas we can calculate the units for these two entities. See, before writing the units, we have seen speed, it may be 0 or positive. See, speed never be negative. See, if one car is a steady, when it is a steady, the speed of that car is a 0. Okay. When car is moving from one place to another place, the distance is a positive distance. Negative, we cannot say the distance is a distance covered by that car is a negative. So what we can write here, speed is always positive and 0. And in case of velocity, we can write here velocity having possible 3 values. Velocity may be positive, it may be negative, and it may be 0. Okay. So velocity is having possible 3 values, positive, negative, and 0. So in this lecture we are studied the difference in between speed and velocity, and what is the difference, what is the velocity and what is the distance, what is the velocity and what is the speed. We have already seen information about these all two terms, and based on that information we are distinguish these two terms. Okay, here is the speed, here is the velocity. Here is the speed. What is the speed? It is the distance covered by an object in a specific time. What is the velocity? Velocity is distance covered by an object in a specific time in a given direction or given displacement. See, speed is related with the distance, velocity related with the displacement, speed scalar quantity, velocity vector quantity, speed distance upon time, velocity displacement upon time. See, speed is always positive or 0 and velocity is always having 3 possible values. See, on these two formulas, we are getting 2 formulas for velocity and speed. In next lecture, we are going to learn the numerical based on that two formulas. We will stop here. Thank you.